Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stream on TikTok using OBS with a stream key. Now, this is the easiest way to go live from your PC so that you can stream the games, the reaction videos, or your screen directly to TikTok. So, first of all, you need TikTok live access on your account. Once your account is eligible for it, simply come here on tiktok.com on your PC. Over here, log in into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Then from the given options here in the left hand side, simply click on the option of the live section. So you are going to see the option which is called stream over here, or it can be with the name live with PC or RTMP. So when you select that, TikTok is going to give you two things, a stream URL and a stream key. So you need to keep this page open and now open your OBS application on your computer. Once you do this, simply click on the settings tab here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. When you see this type of pop-up in front of you, among the given options, simply click on the option of stream. Over here, you need to change the service to the custom or RTMP. And now you just have to simply give the server key here in this particular server section. You just have to provide the stream key here in the stream key box. Now, once you do this, simply click on the option of apply first, then click on the option of OK. Next, you need to set up your scenes in the OBS. So here, first of all, select the scenes. Let's say I have selected TikTok live. After that, simply click on this plus icon, then select the option of display capture. Then you need to simply hit OK. So the display capture option will be available here in your sources section. Now you can arrange the sources so that everything fits to your layout. Now you need to go to the settings again and here go to the option of output. Over here select a bitrate between 3000 and 6000 kbps for smooth streaming. Then you need to go to the videos section and set the output resolution to 1080 into 1920, which will be the vertical view if you want a full screen phone style stream, or you can keep it 16:19 if you prefer the wide screen. Now when everything looks ready, you can click on the option of start streaming in OBS. Then you can come back here inside your TikTok live preview. You can check your camera and the audio levels and then press the option of go live. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.